Welcome! So, in one classic research study, an extensive list of 555 personality traits were examined, in which people rated how desirable they thought each trait was in a person. If you're trying to increase the chances of being liked by someone, here are 4 behaviors that were rated as the highest on the list, as the most desirable. The 4th most desirable trait on the list was being loyal. This is when you stay true to your commitments and obligations, and keep your promises to others. The 3rd most desirable trait was being understanding. This is when you're sympathetic towards the feelings of others, you act considerately towards them, and show forgiveness regardless of the current circumstances. The 2nd most desirable trait was being honest. When you're honest, you present the authentic version of yourself, and you're true with your intentions. You can show fairness to others, and don't try to deceive them in any way. And at the very top of this list of 555 personality traits, it's being sincere. This is when your actions, beliefs, and feelings are completely genuine. This can involve such things as being kind to others across a variety of situations, helping someone out without expecting anything in return, or giving someone a compliment that you believe to be true. So if you're genuine with others and show the truest version of yourself while also considering the feelings and perspective of others, you may be more likely to build positive interactions and relationships with them. If you're someone who prefers these types of qualities in a person, then please press the like button. Each like helps YouTube bring more viewers to the channel, which can then inform others what types of positive traits people tend to value in others. Do you agree with this list? Which personality traits do you find most desirable in a person? Comment down below. That's all for now. If you're curious to see the newest videos, then please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.